What's up guys, Brian here from Santiment. Today I'll be showing you around our brand new platform known as SanR. Now this is something that we've wanted to build since the very beginning of Santiment's existence. Ever since we started back in 2017, our goal was to create a decentralized platform where people can share their predictions about the crypto market and tokenize that intelligence while retaining full ownership of their signals. This is what SanR is meant to do. SanR is a decentralized marketplace for price prediction signals. So what does that mean exactly? Well, the initial idea is very simple. When you have an idea about where the crypto market or the price of a specific coin might be headed next, you can go to SanR, connect your MetaMask, and create a price prediction signal. So, say for instance that I've been paying close attention to Bitcoin lately. Maybe I've looked at a bunch of Bitcoins on-chain, social, or other indicators on Sandbase, and based on my research, I believe the price of Bitcoin is going to rise. So, I connect my MetaMask to SanR, and I create a SanRise signal. Click on Bitcoin, click on Rise. I can even choose to enter the forecast into our reward program. I can click on Advanced and set exact target prices or stop losses. For the sake of time, I'm not going to do that on this presentation, but you can definitely check it out yourself. Once I've done that, I can essentially click on Open Forecast here. And if you give it a few seconds, the signal will be fully processed. You can go over here to My Signals, and you'll see that my forecast has now been submitted. You can see the amount of time that is remaining on the forecast. You can see how the performance is doing. It looks like I'm already up 0.11% since putting it in just about a minute ago. And I can track the progress and close it at any time I'd like by clicking right here. You can even go to all my forecasts and see your full history of all the ones you've made over time. Now that's what you'll see on the front end, but the really cool part of SanR actually happens behind the scenes. Once you open a forecast, your prediction instantly gets recorded on the blockchain as a non-fungible token or NFT, which means that it'll live on the ledger forever as an immutable proof of your market intelligence, almost like a blockchain trading journal. The big advantage of this is that other traders can actually be certain that your price prediction history is transparent, permanent, and most importantly, can't be deleted or modified in any way. If you made a prediction that Bitcoin is headed for a correction and then it pumps plus 20%, that's your cross to bear and should be a part of your reputation as a market analyst. Now, there are several reasons why you might want to create a forecast on SanR or keep an eye on other people's forecasts. The number one reason would be that you could use SanR as a way to build your reputation as a person that truly understands the crypto market and its directional changes. While there are other places where you can create and share your predictions, what sets SanR apart is the immutable nature of each and every prediction made on the platform. There are no takebacks, no deleting signals. It's 100% transparent and permanent. Number two, you can create a naked prediction like I did a minute ago, or you can stake SAN tokens when making a prediction to enter into a bi-weekly reward pool. This way you put some skin in the game and get rewarded if your market forecasts are accurate and if you perform better than other people on SanR. You can see over here that the next reward will be in 9 days, the amount of SAN to be rewarded, the amount of forecasts, current and the total amounts, and then all of the participants, including their current round performance in terms of price change return, average profitability. You can click on all participants and get the full list, and everything is fully transparent here. Now finally, the number three reason you might want to use SanR, even if you don't know where the market's headed, is precisely to get a sense of the market sentiment. You can check other people's open predictors and analyze the performance of their previous predictions, all of which again is stored on the blockchain. Then if you find a user with a proven track record of sensing where the market's going, you can follow him or her by staking SAN tokens and copy trade his future price signals. So you can essentially hop on the bandwagon of someone who is doing well, or even alternatively, counter trade against someone who may not be doing so well and you think is not a good predictor of the markets, and trade accordingly. There are a lot of ways you can go with it. Now, as I mentioned, reputation is a major part of what makes SanR useful. The platform allows anyone to position themselves as an authority on the market and shows the receipts. Since every prediction is stored as an NFT, people can be certain that your prediction performance is credible and transparent, and that there was no way you or anyone else could have tampered with your predictions. In the future, We want to allow users to leverage this reputation that they've built on SanR and allow them to tokenize their market know-how. If you have a proven track record for predicting future price action, in the future, you'll be able to issue NFT subscriptions for your signals. So people can pay to copy trade you, or you can pay to copy trade other successful traders. This also means that, unlike on other platforms, you retain full ownership of the entire price prediction process, from issuing signals to deciding how many users can follow your trades and what that barrier to entry will be. It's also worth noting, for those wondering about how we leverage Layer 2, you can expect for us to expand on this subject in an upcoming follow-up video. Anyway, the platform is still in beta, so we'd love for you to actually try this out, test the market intelligence against people in the Santiment team and the community, and give us feedback on our Discord. We really would love to have you participate there. Let us know what you think, and just give us any sort of critique or suggestions that you may have in mind, and we're going to be very receptive to it as we value you guys as community members. And thanks so much for choosing Santiment and SanR. We're really excited about it, and we hope that you are too. Take care, guys.